Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a new product to share with you from Hunkydory. This is going to be a paper-based product and I'm really excited to share it with you. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you'd hit subscribe. It does help my channel grow and reach more people, but it also means if you ring the notification bell, you will be told whenever I upload a video. So if you enjoy seeing new products, if you enjoy hauls, if you enjoy tutorials, then this is the channel for you. If you do enjoy today's video, please leave it a nice big thumbs up. And without further ado, let me show you what's inside this envelope. So if you like Art Deco type papers and cards, then you are going to love this because this is an Art Deco collection. And when I tell you this is beautiful, oh my word. So I'm going to show you the different elements and then I'm going to go off and I'm going to create samples for the launch, which I will leave at the end of this video for you. So this is the picture pad that comes with the collection. Look how beautiful. I love these dresses. I swear I was born in the wrong era because I would totally love to have been able to wear something like that. We've got sentiments on there as well. And these are double-sided. So can you see there's the Art Deco pattern on that one. And then we have this one here. Again, those beautiful designs on the dresses. My word, I just love them. Again, we have some more sentiments. And if I flip the page, look at that beautiful floral design. So they are almost multi-purpose. If you didn't want to use the pictures, you could use this side as like a layer. So they're so pretty. So we have those. Then we have this one here. Beautiful golds coming through. Love that dress. Oh my word. Look, isn't this lovely? And then on the back we have almost like a brick pattern, I would say. So my videos always come out after the products have launched, so if you want to see even more of this collection, head over to the Hunkydory website. I will link it in the description box of this video and you will be able to find a load of inspiration in the galleries and you will be able to see exactly what is available. Look at that, my goodness. So I have been sent these free of charge because I'm on the design team and we just get sent samples from the collection to create the samples, which is lovely. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's just stunning. Look at that umbrella. Oh my word. And on the back, again, really pretty colours. Then we have this one. I like that they have a mixture of sentiments and pictures. I think that's a really nice idea. We've just got the green there. We have this one. Oh my goodness, would you look at that stunning dress. Time to party down here. I feel like I already did that one. Did I? Sure. And then we have this one. It's just beautiful. Have a roaring good time. And then that's the pattern on the back. Then we have this one for a special friend. Again, that dress just beautiful. And that one. My goodness. We have the kind of bluey green design there. And we have this one. Having a little, looks like almost like a foxtrot, I'd say. Love that dress. My goodness. Sending you love on your anniversary. And on the back, Isn't it lovely? So it all complements each other really nicely. And we have this one, wishing you good luck. And you are so special to me. Kind of gives me House of Elliot vibes, if you remember that show from way back when. Oh my goodness, would you look how beautiful that is? It's just stunning. I believe you will get plenty in a pad, so you won't be worried about cutting into them. This is the last one I have for now. There may well be more, but they have to divvy this up amongst us all. To the one I love. Isn't that lovely? And then on the back we have yellow. So that is the picture pad book. Then we have the most incredible acetate. So we have this one first, but if I put it down there you probably see it okay. So it's clear in the middle, and then we have like the scalloped shell design in both corners. So we have that one. Then we have this one. Would you look at that? Oh my goodness. So again, clear at the top, but down the bottom you have the row of arches. Love it. Then we have, look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? It's all like gold foiled. You see, look at that. Look how it shines in the light. Just gorgeous. And then we have this one. So it's the same pattern top and bottom, and the middle is left clear. But again, it's all like gold foiled. It's absolutely beautiful. These are A4 in size. So we have acetate as part of the collection. Next we have the most gorgeous gold mirror. Oh my word, look at this. So this is the first one. It's going to be in no particular order, but oh my goodness, would you look how stunning is that? I love it so much. Try not to get me in it, but yeah, that's the first one. Then we have this one. It's just gorgeous. Then we have this one that kind of reminds me of tiles. Isn't that beautiful? Then we have this one here. Isn't that gorgeous? Next up we have this really intricate, smaller design. It's hard to do it without getting loads of reflection, but I will try. Then we have, look at that. Isn't that lovely? You could have it running either way. Then this one, I have to say, is one of my favourites. It's just something about this. It kind of reminds me of wrought iron gates, like really intricate. Like you'd see them on a garden and they're massive. That's what it reminds me of, and I love it. I think it's just beautiful. And then this is my other favourite, and this to me is what Art Deco is all about, and this reminds me of the Empire State Building. And I think if I can try and work out how to make an Empire State style card, that will be the feature. But I don't know, I've been thinking about it for quite some time and I'm still pondering that one. I do love that. So that is the gorgeous gold mirror. And then there's more. We have adorable scorable and topper sets, and just wait till you see. I mean, have you seen anything more beautiful? I have no idea how I'm going to bring myself to cut into this because it's just too beautiful. I'll be honest, it's just, oh my goodness, how do you even start about thinking about cutting into that? Although I'm kind of seeing diorama card, maybe, or you could cut around that and kind of make this the feature. I need to have a little think on these. So that's the first one. Then we have this one. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful. I love the pinks. I love her feathery fan. I love this. I just love everything about it. And there's that pattern off the back of the picture book. So it all kind of comes together and pulls through, which is really great. So we have that one. Next we have, it's just like the plain blue. We saw this again on the reverse of the picture books. We've got this really nice detailing down here, which again, you've got the gold foiling. Really, really nice. Again, look how incredibly beautiful this is. I kind of feel like I want to try and fussy cut round her a little bit and make her stand out. But then it would mean scoring here, and that just feels like a crime against paper in a way. I'm sure I will come up with something. I'm sure the other design team members will come up with equally fabulous, amazing designs. Just sitting here looking at this now, I'm just like, how am I supposed to cut into it? It's just too pretty. But yeah, I love it. I just think it's the most stunning thing. And then this is my favourite one. Look at those colours. Oh my word. I think I already know what I want to do with this. But look at the colours. I love the complementary way that kind of blends. So it goes from light to dark, and then this one, if you look carefully, it goes from dark here to light. And I just love the way these colours work together, and we have those beautiful flowers again. So yeah, that one is probably my favourite adorable scoreable, but I will not hoard, I will use. Look at that. I'm really loving this colour with the pinks. I think it really works amazingly. And then she's got her pink flowers there. And we have the couple having like a evening stroll along the beach with the sun setting in the background there. And again, we have one of these amazing A4 just complete pictures. It's just beautiful. I've got some ideas, to be fair, on how to use those. And then we have topper sheets. So with the Hunkydory topper sheets, they will always have a name. So this one is called Cherished Memories. So we have some picture toppers in various sizes, and then we have the sentiments. So that one is Cherished Memories. Then we have Exquisite Moments. And I love it when they put this band down here. It's one of my favourite things about these collections, because you can use it as a decorative piece in your project. So we have this great, look at this. So we could use just the circle, or we could use it as it is. We could put those on foam pads. We could pop them up. So many things we can do with this. Look at that. I love that dress. I was born in the wrong era, I'm telling you. And again, we've got lots of sentiments on here. Next up, we have Glorious Days. Again, look at these colours. Look how they all work together. We've got some great sentiments. We've got a couple of strips on this one. And then this is the last one. This is Splendid Scenes. Again, we've got that dress that I've been loving. We've got the flowers up in the corner there. We've got a Get Well Wishes sentiment. We've got a You Are So Very Special to Me. And we've got a Thinking of You. Look at that dress. Oh my word. So those are the topper sheets. And then honestly, I don't know whether this is part of the collection or whether this was sent as extra, but I do have a load of gold mirror. Obviously that is going to work so well with the collection, and I did say if there was anything specific that they wanted us to use with the kit, could they send it. So this may have been sent as an as well of instead of it comes with. But yeah, I do have gold mirror. So that is the Art Deco collection. As I mentioned earlier, this has been sent to me free of charge because I am extremely privileged to be on the Hunkydory design team. So they send me the product and I make samples for the launches. But I do like to share the product with you before I do my makes, and then I put them at the end so you can see. I will leave Hunkydory's website linked in the description box of this video. That is purely only to be helpful. We don't get commission. We haven't got affiliate links. I just put it in there in case you need it, kind of thing. If you sign up to the Hunkydory Club, that is absolutely free to do. That is on the website as well. And then you get 5% off across the whole site. Plus, every now and again, they will do members only offers. So definitely worth signing up to the hub, and you will also be able to get a free gift once a quarter, I believe it is, and just pay postage, and that's well worth doing. So I'll leave that linked in the description box. I really do hope you've enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of this collection in the description box, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and help my channel grow. I will be back soon with more videos. Stay tuned just till the end because my makes will be coming up as soon as I sign off. But until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take good care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.